I am going to create a select option with a name, gender. Also, I'm going to add the ref directly to it, which is going to be input this dot gender ref equals to input. I'm going to add the class style dot form control and add some options to this select input with the value male and label male. Copy this and call this female with the label female. Before we go to the browser, let me wrap this in the class style dot form group. The next thing to do is to get the value of this select input. I'm going to let this equals to gender, and what you call it there is gender ref. I mean, gender ref is same thing as what we use here. I am going to alert the gender picked when the form is submitted. Okay, to fill this form, my name Ebelagoy, password, let me pick female, and on submit it is going to show female. We can also create a custom select component just like we created the custom input. To do that, let us create a new folder in our SRC directory called custom select. And in this custom select, I'm going to create an index.js file. I'm going to also create custom select.component.js and custom select.module.css. In our custom select index.js, I'm going to export default from custom select component. That is done. Back to the custom select component. The first thing I'm going to do is import React from React and create a constant called custom select equals to. Quickly, let me export default custom select. Unlike the custom input, the custom select is going to take three properties, which are input ref, the options property, and we are going to spread the other profs. The custom select is going to return select, which is going to have the property ref equals to the input ref. We are also going to pass the other profs to it. We need to add style to this input, and I'm going to do this by adding the class name property with style form control. I'm going to copy the CSS from custom input module into the custom select module. Back to the custom select component. We need a way to load our options. This is the options that are going to pass into this component, and to do that we are going to do options.map option which is going to be option where the key is going to be option.value, and the value will be option.value, then the label will be option.label. Let us go to the app.js to use the custom select we just created. The first thing I'm going to do is import custom select from custom select. Just beside the initial select we use, I'm going to declare the custom select and copy the name and the ref attribute to the custom select. Remember that the custom select is expecting the input ref instead of ref, so we're going to rename this to the input ref. To make things clearer, I'm going to break this to separate lines. We need to pass the options as an array. It will be an array of objects with the label male and value male. Female and value female. Please note that we are using the keyword label and value in this option because back in our custom select, when we look through the options, we reference those values with the keyword value and label. Back to our app.js, the first thing I'm going to do is delete the old select. I'm going to navigate to the browser to fill this form. When I click submit, it is going to alert the value of the select option.